Dear students, once again welcome to Political Science Unit 5 International Institutions. This is the second part of this lesson. You have already watched the first part of it. If you want to see it again, a link is given in the description. Let's begin. MCQ number 33. The term of office of the General Secretary of UNO is 5 years, 10 years, 9 years, 2 years. Correct answer is option A, 5 years. The term of office of the General Secretary of UNO is 5 years. The present Secretary General of the UNO is Kofi Annan, Antonio Guterres, Ban Ki-moon, Boutros Ghali. Correct answer is option B, Antonio Guterres is the present Secretary General of the UNO. The achievements of UN is a mixed one due to lack of unity among the permanent members of the Security Council, lack of unity among non-permanent members of the Security Council, lack of support from USA, the occurrence of Cold War. The achievements of UNO is a mixed one due to lack of unity among permanent members of the Security Council. Option A is the correct answer. GATT means General Agreement on Term and Trade, Government Agreement on Tariff and Trade, General Association of Tariff and Trade, General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. Correct answer is option D, General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. An important international achievement of UNO is the introduction of the United Development Programme, General Agreement on Tariff and Trade, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948, the formation of World Bank and International Monetary Fund. Correct answer is option C, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948. Food and Agriculture Organization was formed in 1943, 1945, 1946, 1948. Correct answer is 1945. Let's move to MCQ number 39. The head office of Food and Agriculture Organization is based in Paris, Rome, Geneva, Washington, D.C. The main headquarters of FAO or Food and Agriculture Organization is in Rome. Option B is the correct answer. This organization was born to fight against poverty, malnutrition, and hunger all over the world. World Health Organization, Food and Agriculture Organization, International Monetary Fund, International Labour Organization. Correct answer is option B, Food and Agriculture Organization. WHO was founded in 1949, 1947, 1948, 1946. Correct answer is option C, 1948. This organization has strived to eradicate diseases like plague, cholera, malaria, and smallpox. FAO, UNESCO, WHO, UNICEF. Correct answer is option C, WHO. The head office of World Health Organization WHO is in Geneva, Rome, New York, Paris. Correct answer is option A, Geneva. MCQ number 44. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO was founded in 1947, 1946, 1948, 1949. Correct answer is option B, 1946. The head office of UNESCO is in New York, Rome, London, Paris. The head office of UNESCO is in Paris. Option D is the correct answer. The head office of International Monetary Fund IMF is in Paris, New York, Washington DC, Geneva. Correct answer is option C, Washington DC. International Monetary Fund IMF was started in 1945, 1946, 1979, 1951. Correct answer is option A, 1945. A specialized institution which strives to improve the science, education, and culture of the world is UNICEF, IMF, UNESCO, IBRD. Correct answer is option C, UNESCO. MCQ number 49. United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund UNICEF was founded in 1945, 1946, 1944, 1947. Correct answer is 1946. UNICEF became a permanent body in the year 1946, 1954, 1948, 1953. Correct answer is option D, 1953. The organization founded to create conducive environment for the development of children and women is IMF, IBRD, UNICEF, ILO. Correct answer is option C, UNICEF. UNICEF received Nobel Award in the year 1955, 1948, 1977, 1965. Correct answer is option D, 1965. MCQ number 53. This organization sells greeting cards to generate funds to fund its various functions. UNICEF, IBRD, IMF, UNCTAD. Correct answer is options A, UNICEF. This institution is known for its humane outlook. SAARC, ASEAN, European Union, UNICEF. Correct answer is option D, UNICEF. MCQ number 55. The head office of International Monetary Fund IMF is in Paris, New York, Washington DC, Geneva. Correct answer is option C, Washington DC. The central bank of many central banks of different nations is UNICEF, IBRD, IMF, UNCTAD. Correct answer is option C, IMF. International Bank for Reconstruction and Development IBRD was founded in the year 1946, 1947, 1950, 1948. Correct answer is option B, 1947. This organization is also called as World Bank. Options are UNICEF, IBRD, IMF, UNCTAD. Correct answer is option B, IBRD. IBRD is known as World Bank. Let's move to MCQ number 59. The head office of IBRD is in Paris, New York, Washington DC, Geneva. The head office of IBRD is in Washington DC. Option C is the correct answer. MCQ number 60. The head office of International Labour Organization ILO is in Paris, New York, Washington DC, Geneva. Correct answer is option D, Geneva. The organ mainly focuses on the facilitation of commerce and trade is IMF, IBRD, WTO, UNCTAD. Correct answer is option D, UNCTAD. MCQ number 62. World Trade Organization WTO was founded on January 1st, 1993, January 1st, 1994, January 1st, 1995, June 1st, 1995. Correct answer is option C, January 1st, 1995. MCQ number 63. The third important pillar of the world trade, along with IMF and World Bank, is UNCTAD, WTO, ILO, IBRD. Correct answer is option B, WTO. WTO is the third important pillar of the world trade along with International Monetary Fund and World Bank. MCQ number 64. Its general conference is like a World Parliament of the Workers. UNCTAD, WTO, ILO, IBRD. Correct answer is option C, ILO.